police station, police officer, handcuffs, whistle, gun, bulletproof vest, police car, siren, police dog, flashlight, walkie-talkie, baton, bullets, police hat, loudspeaker, uniform, fingerprint, case, arrest, prison, crime scene tape, confess, victim, evidence, bail, investigation,